Hi, my name is Niranjan Prasad. My department number is 10CO608. The world ocean keeps many secrets, and the first among them is the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of ships and aircraft seem to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. It stretches from Miami to Puerto Rico to the islands of Bermuda. Planes and ships have disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. Over 8,000 people have also disappeared. Instruments such as compasses stopped working while in the triangle. There has also been a strange yellow fog seen in that area as people began believing everything possible. Some people say that when Atlantis sank, it left a rock which influences this territory, while others say it's because of alien abduction and UFOs. Methane bubbles which came up from the bottom of the ocean makes ships unstable. This was also one of the causes for ships to sink. Killer waves and electronic fogs were also some of the reasons for ships and planes to have sunk into the ocean in the triangle area. There was also a time when people believed that the triangle area was a portal which transferred lost ships and airplanes to other worlds or dimensions or to the past or future. But the real cause of these disappearances were the Gulf Stream, pirates, hurricanes, methane hydrate, killer waves and human mistakes. The Gulf Stream is an ocean current that originates in the Gulf of Mexico and then flows to the Straits of Florida into the North Atlantic Ocean. It is a river within an ocean, and like a river, it carries floating objects. A small plane making a water landing or a boat having engine trouble will be carried away from its original position. There is a lot of magnetic force in the Bermuda Triangle area, and this is why compasses spin. This is where magnetic north and true north actually meet, and navigators have to remember not to compensate, otherwise they will wind off course into the middle of the ocean. Methane hydrates is the presence of large quantities of methane gas in the ocean floor. Methane gas is formed due to the decay of sea creatures. Due to periodic eruptions of methane, it would not be able to provide the required flexibility for the ships to sail in the water. These eruptions can cause ships to sink without a hint or warning. One of the many causes for the ships to sink are rogue waves. Rogue waves are violent waves and the ships cannot withstand them. Till some time ago they were considered non-existent, but now because of satellite surveillance their existence is proved. According to a theory, the map of the earth has 12 mysterious zones, 10 of which are located in 30 degrees of latitude. 2 zones are located in the poles. One zone is located in the Sahara Desert. The Bermuda Triangle may also be one of the 12 mysterious zones. Underwater earthquakes are also a major cause. They cause severe damage without any prior warning. The region of the Bermuda Triangle has shown to have intensive seismic activity. Many disappearances have taken place in the area of the Bermuda Triangle. One of them was Flight 19. In 1945, a group of American bombers flew on a training mission and never came back. They were never found. It was a big mystery because the sea was calm and the weather was very good. However, these disappearances are weird because none of the ships gave SOS signals before disappearing. There are some cases when not long before the disappearance, the wireless operator of the ship broadcasted signals very good or the weather is fine. Suddenly the broadcasting broke off. Pilots and captains claim to have seen vertical clouds in this area. Electronic facilities fail to work inside, and once the plane comes out of this zone, the equipment starts working as usual. Thus, I would like to conclude by saying that the Bermuda Triangle has been under learning since 1950. It is impossible to describe all the hypotheses explaining mysterious events in this research work which takes place in the Bermuda. But we can continue the scientific work on this subject because we have a lot of materials to study and interesting describes awaiting for us. It's the mystery which excites brains of many people, and sometimes it will be revealed. Thank you.